Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. I'm Amrut Kumar. We at Royal Architecture are specialized in old home renovation, vertical and horizontal home extension, interior design at Bangalore and Hyderabad since 2015. Every old home carries memories and every renovation carries an emotional story behind it. This house is 32 years old and our client's grandfather has built this house and 4 generations have lived here. So instead of letting go of the charm and memories of this home, our client wanted to restore and upgrade it while still preserving its original emotional value. And that's when they approached Royal Architecture for a complete old house renovation. At Royal Architecture, we follow a standard step-by-step renovation process. First, site visit and inspection. We first visit the site to understand the client's requirements and assess what is possible and what is not. Second, existing house drawings. We prepare the current and existing layout drawings. Third, proposed 2D planning. Based on the client's requirements, we provide proposed 2D drawings. Fourth, 3D views and material selection. After 2D approval, we create 3D designs and simultaneously help the client select materials as per their needs. Fifth, final 3D walkthrough and render. Once materials are finalized, we provide final 3D renders and a complete walkthrough. Sixth, quotation finalization and agreement. Finally, we finalize the quotation and agreement to begin the project. Seventh, puja before work begins. And most importantly, before starting work, we compulsorily perform a puja and then begin the renovation. Now, let's take a look how this house was before renovation. And next, I will show you how we helped our client visualize and complete the transformation with 3D views and walkthroughs. For more upcoming videos on this project and other old home renovation projects, stay tuned to our channel Royal Architecture Bangalore. If you are looking for old home renovation, structural renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design in Bangalore and Hyderabad, please call us today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Royal Architecture. Thank you.